Alright guys, so if you're in the market for a SD card storage device and a card reader which you can use to transfer data from your SD card onto your computer, especially if your computer doesn't have an SD slot or any micro SD slot, this right here is the solution for you. Now this is a Llano storage and card reader 2-in-1, which I'm going to show you guys inside this video right here. Great for transferring file from your SD card onto your computer. Great speed as well, which I'm going to show you guys inside this video right here. So inside right here guys, we have the user manual which you can go through. We have a USB adapter which is USB-C to USB-A. Also we have a linear strap. Alright guys, as you can see, this is the product right here. So it feels really nice in hand right here, the texture of this. So on the outside it's really rubbery. So right here you can see that it's really shockproof with this rubber finish right here. We have a see-through right here which you can see your SD card and stuff that is inside. Great design of this right here. So once you open like that, this is just a protective case which actually this comes in. So we have two big size SD card to this side right here, and we have 4 SD card, micro SD card to this side right here. And to this side as well, we have the same amount. So we have a little pin as well. And in right here, we have a USB-C which you can use to your computer. So we have a slot right here where you can read both SD cards. So once you put them in right here and attach it to your computer, it should read from the slot right here. So it's a great little device where you can store your device in to have quick access if you want a shoot, or if you want to quick transfer some files from your computer, especially if you have a computer which your computer does not have a SD card slot. This is a great option that you guys will want to look into if you want an option to have that SD card reader right in your pocket. So this is so very useful, especially if you're outside like this and you want to transfer a file from memory card. Whenever you shoot on your camera, I want to transfer them straight onto your phone. So guys, I can literally use this, transfer all of my file from my SD card into my computer. And it's great for a person who doesn't have any input or SD card inside their computer. They just want an external card reader to store and transfer all your file from your SD card. So very portable, great little design right here. And you can also see little SD card inside as well whenever you have them inside like this. So you can strap this onto your bag, put this in your bag, transport it around. Very great product right here. So I recommend. So if you guys want to pick up one of these, I put a link for this in the description of this video. So make sure that you are subscribed to this channel for more content like this. And as always, I see you guys in my next video. Peace. I'm out.